So just what is this popular AI that you probably don't know about? Well, this AI actually ranks second in several different rankings of AI models that are out there. Now, this AI is extremely popular with students, right? So students, that's kind of different than what we're used to as far as the regular person or those people in academia. So what is it that students are really gravitating to? What are they liking? Well, they're using a lot of an AI called character.ai. So this AI is a very powerful large language model. And the big difference here is that you go in, create an account, and then you can use the AI to ask it any type of question, just as if you're using ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or any other AIs. But the big difference here is that you can use it as a character, meaning that you can select what the persona is of the AI. So it can have a graphical interface, but the more important thing is that it'll act like the character. It will have this persona, this likeness, and it can talk to you as if it's that character. The thing is that students or anyone can select any type of character they want, meaning that it could be a historical character, let's say Einstein, interactions with Einstein, or it can be any type of actor or any type of celebrity, or even any type of anime. It could be a cartoon character, an anime character, anything that you can think of can be this persona within character AI. So this is what students are wanting. This is what students are gravitating to. That's why this AI is so popular. They're wanting to have more emotional connection with the AI. So that's why they're using this type of AI. Again, very popular. Multiple rankings have shown it to be second in popularity. Again, it has so much traffic going to it. So there's a lot going on there. Now, what does this mean for academia? Well, the way that students are using this AI is for many different reasons. Yes, they're using it to help them with learning. They are asking it questions about the content that they might be learning in class. They're using, again, character AI can assume many different roles. It can function as a special character. It can function as just for homework help or to help you practice languages. So they're using it to practice in many different ways, to go through simulations, to go through quizzes, all sorts of different things. They're using this wrapper of a character. And they're also using it a lot to help them make decisions, to help them work out different problems that they might be having, whether that's learning problems that they might have or personal problems, problems that they have at school. They're using the AI to enhance their social interaction. They're using their AI for mental health issues. They're using AI as a counselor. So the thing is that why are they doing this? Because it's effective. It's helping them. Again, I'm not making a judgment call on whether it should be done that way or shouldn't, but students, mainly students, are going back to character AI again and again because they feel at least that it's helping them with a lot of their problems. It's a powerful coping mechanism. It's something that students are gravitating to when they don't find this type of help at school. So this is something for us to really be aware of. Here's a great quote that I want to share that comes from an Australian news source. It says, "I know that it is unhealthy, but it has helped me with my emotions at many points during the past year. It kind of made me realize how lonely I am, and I can't seem to fix that no matter how much I try. So I'm stuck here for now." Now, this is good and bad. This is good because we do want students to have help and assistance with the problems, but of course, I'm not sure about the professional level of this character.ai. It hasn't been endorsed by any mental health association, so there are some dangers there. Now, of course, Character AI, the company, is very quick to express that, hey, anything that the AI says might be made up. We don't have any liability, and be careful with that. So that's something. But the big thing here is that we have to remember that our students need to learn and to understand because they're very vulnerable. So again, it behooves us once again that we have to ensure that we are pushing AI literacy. This is so vital for so many different things because it will help them to understand, have an awareness, part of the AI literacy, have an awareness of what's going on, that the AI isn't sentient, it's not a real person, it doesn't truly understand the way that we're thinking that it's understanding, right? So again, those are key parts there. Other aspects of AI literacy, such as the capabilities, knowing is this the best AI I should be using to ask it questions about mental health? Perhaps there's other ones that are catered more for that, that are better endorsed or better equipped to handle the type of questions that I might be asking. Other things such as just knowledge about how is my information being used? Is it protected? Is it okay for me to be talking about some private sensitive information? Again, this is important parts of AI literacy. And then of course, critical thinking. I have to make sure that I am analyzing what's being said. I am ensuring that I am critically thinking about the information, the guidance, the suggestions. I have to make sure that I'm not just blindly following what it's telling me, as well as ensuring that I'm not becoming over reliant on this. There's dangers of, well, if I build up a great relationship with my AI, then I might not seek real relationships, right? So again, a balanced approach is important. So I say all these things because the popularity of character AI is only getting higher and higher. So we have to make sure that we are helping our students to understand, and that comes through having good AI literacy. There's lots of stories. I'll have lots of links that I can make available to you. Lots of stories about students that are going through tough times in school, and their teachers and helping them, their instructors and assisting with trying to help address the issues. So they turn to AI. The AI is always there to listen to them, is always non-judgmental, and can provide them guidance. Hopefully it's the good guidance, but again, that's where we come into helping them to develop a critical analysis, critical thinking, as well as to make sure that we are aware about the way that AI is being used by students so that we can guide them and we can tell them about some of the dangers, how to use it properly, how to have it be more effective so that it can help them in the long run. So this is an important thing. We have to realize that, hey, AI is here and it's really being used by all of the students, a majority of the students, whether we like that or not. We might be opposed to AI. That's okay, but we have to understand that it's here and it's being used by students. So the more that we know, the more capability that we have, the better we'll be able to help everyone through this. So if you know of situations of students using character AI or a similar type of AI and what they've done with it and how you've reacted, how you've helped them, please put that in the comments. Let's talk about these things. There's lots of different issues. There's lots of addiction that goes on because if you have this type of partner that can answer all of your questions and is engaging, well, that might be very tempting to focus all of your time on that instead of also doing your other requirements such as studying, working, and finishing up your homework. So the more that we can learn from each other, from experiences that we've had in the classroom, the better, and the more powerful that we will become to be able to address this issue. So thank you, everyone. I hope we can learn from each other and really develop our own AI literacy to help everyone out as well. And remember, learning is for life. I appreciate everyone viewing this video. If you've got a lot out of it, please like, share, make sure that everyone understands this information so that we can be better equipped to handle what AI throws at us. Please comment. I respond to all comments, and that way we can create a better community of inquiry so that we can enhance the overall educational experience for everyone involved.